Alright guys, this is a video that I've been wanting to make for a very long time. It is a rocket-propelled skateboard. I actually got in touch with a science channel and I said, can you guys please help us build a rocket-propelled skateboard? And they did a bunch of research and they got back to me and said, we have no way to do that and make it safe. Then I was like, fine, I need to take matters into my own hands. And I thought, I need something that's not going to explode. This is a little bit of a build video. I'm gonna apologize for the wind. There's quite a bit of wind today. This is the Soul Arc board. We already made a video with this. I picked this because the wheels are big. It rolls really smooth. And I was like, if I'm gonna try and make a rocket propel a skateboard, I want something that's going to roll very smooth and easily. I have some screws, a screw gun, some 2x4s, and then I have some rockets that are in these boxes. Found this stuff on Amazon. I don't know how far or how long this goes. I know you're probably thinking, oh, so lame. I thought to myself, what is going to not explode? And I thought water is going to, at the very least, not blow off my leg. We're gonna give this a go. Water rocket, build your own rocket using just a bottle, water, and a pump. Watch the rocket soar as high as 30 meters into the air as you pump it. That's just like a regular bottle though, right? You know what we forgot? Water. This kit is intended for children aged 14 years and over. I just barely made that. Adult supervision is required throughout the assembly and use. Hey Daniel, can you supervise me?
Sure thing.
Great. This setup for what I want to do may or may not work. I wonder if soda would fly further. This is why I wanted to do it with the science channel. So I put this in here somehow. Look at the size of that hole. Okay. Oh, I got it. Those adapters. I'm like really stoked on this. Oh, I think I figured it out. Oh yeah. Airtight connection. See that? That's actually quite brilliant. Oh wow. That's like really legit. Pump. Oh, maybe you put it in there and then... What? Dude. Train! Okay, let's see. We're seriously onto something really good right now. It's first go, we just fire this rocket. This is probably gonna be the greatest thing we've ever done on all of Braille. Tell me I'm not onto something. This is why I was excited about this video.
Well.
You see that? It was supposed to go 30 meters. It went about a meter. There's one other time that we tried to make a board propel and it was like Mentos and Coke and it just was like, we're standing on the board and the Mentos just like go so if this is the same thing, I'm gonna get the biggest, I'm gonna literally go to SpaceX and be like, build me a rocket skateboard. If anybody knows Elon Musk, let him know. Whatever, let's give it a go with this much water. I wonder if it's also about how hard I push this in there. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Yes! 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 No! Whoa! That was sick! That was so sick!
I don't even know where it went.
Dude, straight up. That was 30 feet. Easy.
There's that bottle.
There is our bottle. I'm glad that we didn't lose it. That was one of the things I was worried about. So we filled it up about halfway, and it was about like 5 solid pumps. And it went high, really high. We've proven our point that the rocket does indeed go 30 meters into the air. What I'm trying to accomplish with this is to get that board with somebody standing on it to actually propel with the rockets. My initial idea was to put this 2x4 on this board like this and have the bottles attached here. We have a couple obstacles. First obstacle is that you can't tell when these are gonna go. The other is that there's nothing for it to propel against. So I suppose that we could stand next to the wall and have the rockets go that way. Should we make a wager as if we can make it go 5 feet, 10 feet?
Depends what you put on it.
Carlos? Personally, I'm gonna be proud of myself if I make it go 5 feet. After the whole like Coke and Mentos incident, if this goes at all, I'm gonna be happy. Doesn't this board just like look like it should be made to launch rockets?
It does.
Okay, not exactly even. Dude, it's pretty good though, right?
Yeah, kind of works.
There's something exciting about just launching anything. Even the mailman wanted to get in on the fun, so we had to do another test launch for the mailman. You ready?
Yeah.
Maybe that was too much water.
Too much water. Okay, so a little bit less water.
Oh wow, it froze the drops.
That was awesome.
I think this is gonna launch higher.
No! I was trying so hard to avoid that. Like about there, right?
Yeah. I'm scared.
So far, our test launch was very successful with both the soda and the water. Here we go onto the skateboard. Oh yeah, baby. See, it might not work in this direction. Oh, I squished the freaking bottle. Oh well, that's fine. Here we go, rocket skateboard. We have the world's lightest skateboarder to ride this at 115 pounds. Carlos Lastra, everybody. Fetty, what do you think about this?
I'm confused.
If he goes a good 5 feet, I'm gonna call this experiment a success. So let's just start going. 1, 2, 3, and it'll probably blow on 3.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. No! It certainly does look cool. This will not be a failure.
It did feel like a push, but it just wasn't strong enough. So I was genuinely scared. Like, please don't push me back.
Soda it is.
I'll give it like one pump and then we'll start doing
Well,
it.
you never know though. You never know. Because one air might go more air, one might have more soda. You never really know, right?
You should teach physics.
Aaron Kyro, the science pyro.
Oh!
Sorry. Aaron Kyro, the science silo.
You're just a large cylindrical container of scientific information.
This is literally rocket science.
Yeah, straight up. I recommend getting a little further away, Rowan.
So it's either work or I'm gonna get really sticky.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I mean, it moved up.
It did?
Yeah.
It moved
was-
an inch!
I was against the wall all the way.
I fully got soda all over me. It's 2 liter time. With just the bottle, it only has to push the weight of the bottle.
Yeah.
But then we add the board and 115 pounds. Maybe we should do just the board, no rider. 2.5 liters. I don't think we even need these on there.
They look cool.
They do look very cool.
It's the same principle. Same.
Hey, go get one of those little like green army
the
men.
green man.
Well, we'll try it. We're gonna see if it will just propel this board alone.
Here we go, a little mini Carlos.
So, here we go. That's our rider. Let's do this.
You ready?
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ready?
Count down.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna consider that a success. I literally have soda everywhere. Everywhere. Mine blew off first, and so mine went, and then it turned, and then it just shot all over me. I'm gonna say that's a good 30 feet. 30 feet.
Yeah.
That was pretty impressive.
It blew our little rider off. He's somewhere around here. Well, okay, that was the problem that we had, that we thought we would have, is of it not going off at the same time. Just gotta wipe my face off real fast, and we'll do the soda.
Oh yeah.
All right, so we have less water in it this time, 1 bottle just on the end, as you can see, and then Rowan's expert pumping skills. And then I guess we'll just put just the board, and we're gonna see if this goes anywhere. Yeah, there, put your rider on.
There you go.
Let it rip, Ron. Clear the area.
Oh God.
No water came out at all. So hold on to this. Let me put more water in there and we'll try it again.
This board will be waterlogged after this.
I think I put too much water. It's like there's never
I think it'll
either not enough water or too much. Okay, let's give this a roll. Skate on, little buddy. Yeah, let it rip.
It's going already, moving already.
Would you agree that every skateboarder is a scientist? You experiment, you fail, come back, prevail.
Break your leg.
Break your leg, but that's also a good luck
Stick it in
term.
your pressure. That was the worst one yet, dude.
On the roof?
Should we just launch off the rest of the soda?
I'm thirsty.
Well, Fatty. Got it.
More is not.
See, now they're like even.
No setup required on that. What?
He's not the underlord anymore. He's the overlord.
There's a basketball.
What?
You're in the way. You're in the danger. I call that a successful launch.
Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am sorry that we could not launch a person. If you guys know any way to build a real life rocket which can actually propel a skateboarder across any distance, please let us know. Or if you have some sort of you make it, we skate it board that you can send us that we can use as a rocket skateboard. This has sort of been my dream for a while. I've been thinking about this for a long time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please watch all the other videos in this series. Please subscribe. We make videos every single day on 2 different channels, so that's 2 videos every single day. Thank you, 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 and I'll see you in the next video.